Hi, my name's John. Welcome to PMG Service Centres in Hartlebury. Wanted to let you into a little secret. We are now taking on retail work within our body shop. This includes alloy wheel refurbishment and colour changes, bumper corners, up to a full body mop. We are now in our state-of-the-art spray booth. This A45 here has had some work completed in the body shop, bumper corner, alloy wheels. If you require any of the services that we do offer here at PMG Service Centre in Hartlebury, we do offer a free obligation quote. The contact details are below. We look forward to welcoming you to the Pershore Motor Group family.